Hello everybody, welcome to Module 2. This one will be going over how to log into our services, how to do job submissions, and how to do data transfers, okay, through the command line interface, all of it, okay? So the first part is going to be how do we get logged in? To do this, if you are not on campus and using FSU Secure Wi-Fi, we need to use a VPN connection, okay? If you are on campus and using FSU Secure, please get to the part where I am already using the terminal to log in. Okay, if not, we're gonna use the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. Okay, and here you're gonna write vpn.fsu.edu/HPC. Okay, now that is the connection that you will use to log in. In my case, I use RCC because I'm an RCC staff member. Okay, if not, you use your /HPC, and please follow the instructions that are on our docs page. Okay, but let me walk you through it my side. Okay, you're gonna get most likely a dual push, right? We're very familiar with these, the institutions. So you're gonna get one of those. Please have your phone nearby, so you can go ahead and secure that. All right, I'm just going through the paces. Uh, the last one, I approved that. Okay, here we go. We logged in. Okay, so once I'm in, I'm using the VPN, so it registers like I'm on campus. I can go ahead and open my command line. That can be either your Linux command line, Mac command line, your Windows Linux emulator, or it can be your Windows subsystem Linux on Windows, or it can be any of the other ones we've discussed. In my case, I'm going to use Mobile Xterm, okay? And I'll be walking through most things today in Mobile Xterm. Okay, so this is how Mobile Xterm looks like. Okay, we clear that out. It says home/mobile extern, right? And then from here, we can truly do everything. But first, we have to log in into our system. And for that, we use an SSH command. Okay, so we're at SSH, right? Secure shell, that's what it stands for. Write your username, not mine. Okay, write your username at hpc-login.rcc.fsu.edu. Okay, once you have that in there, you can go ahead and click enter. In your case, it's going to pop up for you to put your password in. In my case, it won't just because I've done it many a time through my own system. Okay, you go ahead and click enter, and you know you logged in because this will appear. Welcome to the RCC. You can find our docs in this place, and then it will say base JAH22Q, my username, at 22 login 24. Those numbers in login, the second number means where your login node. So we have many nodes that allow people to connect in, right? Think of a node like a mini computer, like a computer. So you log in into that specified number computer. Not every time you're gonna get the same one, but it's important for us to know which login node you're using. Now, you'll notice using Mobile Xterm that on this side, you will see all the files that you have on your GPFS home directory. So that is the home directory, not on your computer, on our system. Okay. And I'll teach you later on in the course how to move in files from your computer to our systems using the Mobile Xterm interface. And there's ways to do it with any of the other ones we're talking about. Okay. So thank you so much. And I'll see you on module 2.2 to talk about how to submit jobs. Okay. Thank you.